Hello everybody, today is Friday, November 13th. It's 3:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have another video update for you featuring the BWT Precision Auto Trader. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, want to bring over the time and sales first. It's 3:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the E-mini S&P trading at 2018 and a quarter. First chart I have to show you here is the NASDAQ futures on the BWT Precision Renko bars, and it hit its daily goal of $2,000 and exited a market order. You can see the split fill here at the very end on the last trade. So that's on two contracts. Okay, next up is the crude oil contract on the Super Renko 10 tick, and that had three trades for a total gain of 1280. So 3 winners and no losers. This one is using the BWT line break algorithm. I forgot to mention that the NASDAQ on the Precision Renko is also using the BWT line break module and algorithm on this chart. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8 tick, and we had a closed P&L of 1125 for today, but the system has actually been trading since the 13th, kind of as a swing trading. So notice there's no H on the trades going back all the way to the 12th actually. So in any regard, today's gain on the E-mini S&P is 1125, but the 2-day gain is more like 1587. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on a Precision Renko chart with a lesser reversal size, and this one did 1,015 for the day. It was up a little higher, but took a couple of losers towards the end here. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a 15-minute chart had a small loser and then rebounded with this winner here. One of the contracts is closed. This is trading 3 contracts, and it's still short 2 contracts. So depending on how the market resolves today will determine where this ends up. It could do much better if we get a slide into the close. There's about 30 minutes left in trading. Okay, a couple other charts had modest gains. The crude oil on the Uni Renko did 370. Had a small gain on the Uni Renko DAX. One of the Uni Renkos, this one only did 275. And now switching over to my other workspace, we have another Uni Renko chart of the DAX, and this did 1,037 closed P&L for the day. This is the DAX on the Super Renko 10 tick. So these were a couple of one automated trade, and then this was a manual entry that I took short. These last 3 trades are actually manual trades, exclusively using the Ninja Buddy. So I managed to squeeze out a profit of 1150 on the DAX. Okay, the gold was up as much as 1,000 today, but ended up giving a good portion of it back as it had some churn towards the end here. So started off with a solid winner, and then a couple of losers and a couple of winners, and then a little bit of churn here, and a winner at the end brought it up a little bit, but still managed to grind out on the positive side of the ledger today. Okay, one more chart on the NASDAQ. Uni Renko did 415 on 2 contracts. And we'll come back to the E-mini S&P, which still has two contracts open, and it's about 20 minutes to the close. Okay, it's about 2 minutes before the close of the regular S&P futures session, and it looks like they're going to sell into the close. I mean, literally with 2 minutes left, it's still hard to tell exactly, but the pattern suggests, based on the two tails of these candles and it coming to the, looks like the low of the session is here at 1675. So it's only about a point off the lows of the session. Bring the time and sales over here. At a 1 minute left to the close. So it's probably going to settle in this 18 or 19 area. All right, the position just closed and prices are all over the place with right at the closing bell. So now we're getting red in the time and sales, and of course right after we get taken out, the market sells a bit. So a lot of times in the last 15 minutes after the regular session, you got 15 more minutes of trading, it can sell down quite a bit. But nevertheless, the position is closed at 987.50 on the E-mini S&P. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you would like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewave trading or give us a call at the number on our website. Thanks for watching today.